How to edit a comment on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to edit a comment you've already posted on Instagram directly from your Android device. First, open Instagram on your Android device and go to the post where you left your comment. Find your comment in the comments section, and just underneath it, you'll see a new edit option sitting right next to the reply button. Tap on it. From there, make whatever changes you need. Fix a typo, update your message, or reword it entirely. Once you're done, save your changes and your comment will be updated instantly. Keep in mind, you only have around 15 minutes after posting to edit a comment. Once that window closes, the edit option disappears, and the only way to change it is to delete it and post a new one. Also, once edited, Instagram may show a small edited label under your comment, so others can see it was changed. And that's it. If this guide helped you edit your Instagram comments, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.